How to delete past orders from Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to delete your orders, let's say if you're ordering any foods from any restaurant, you can go to the restaurant's page, select the item that you want to order. After you add the items into your order list, you can view the order from here. This is your current order page. Now if you want to delete this order, all you need to do is you need to remove the items that you have selected to order. You can tap and hold on this item that you have selected, and here you can see the delete option in the right hand side. You can simply tap on delete. It'll ask you if you really want to remove this item from the cart. Select remove, and that's it. The order is deleted from your account. Now in order to delete your past orders, you must have already had orders before. If so, you can go to the orders page right here, tap on it. Here you will see your past orders. If your order is already completed and delivered to you, you cannot delete that order. But if it's not received yet, you can tap and hold on the order that you want to delete, and you can select the delete option. So that's it. That's how you can easily delete orders in Grubhub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.